How to download Kakao Talks for PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Kakao Talks for PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is simply search for Kakao Talks. So search for Kakao Talk download. After you search for that, hit enter and there you will see Kakao Talk's website. So you can simply head over to Kakao Talk and there you will see a download button right here. Now you can go to this website directly as well. So tap on download button. Here you will find different options. So here you'll find Android version, iOS version, Windows and Mac version. So choose Windows or Mac depending on your PC and Kakao Talk should start downloading. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Now all you need to do is after the download ends, you will have to set it up. It's really simple and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.